So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to color code in Microsoft Planner. So the first thing you want to do is go over to the left side of the screen. You'll see my day, my tasks, my plans, my portfolios, and many more features like new plan or pinned plans here. So from there, just choose a plan. So I'm just going to choose, let's say this one. And in order to color code, you can see here it says pink and green. So this is a form of color coding. And you can do that with many tasks as well. So you can add labels. By clicking on here, you can search for a label, or you can just add something. So let's use light green, and from there you can see I've added a color code. So right now it's light green, so people can see if it's an important task or not. If you use premium features, so let's go to a premium plan. On there you can have another way that you can actually color code is through priority. So on here, if I click on these, you can see it changes color. So from green it goes to dark red. So you can even color code through there, and you can also do that through the bucket feature. So if I go back to that simple plan, you can do it through here as well. But just make sure that you set up your buckets through colors also, so you can switch between the relevance of tasks. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Microsoft Planner or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.